Where is my package?
Didn't you just check 5 minutes ago?
I did, but I want to know when it gets here. Where is that package?
Sure, buddy. I'm sure it'll get here.
It's never gonna get here. Hey man, you can just leave my clubs on the front porch, okay?
Yeah, you just want me to leave them right here?
Sounds great.
Hey, how was that awards dinner the other night? Everything go well? Even with Nancy and Bill after the big snafu?
Yeah, it was great. They were there, everyone was there, it was really fun. Anyway, you can just leave the clubs right there on the porch. I'll talk to you later.
Great. How are you guys doing? You well?
We're doing great. Well, the thing is, I lied, and I told her she looked great in the outfit. She looked beautiful in the dress. I wanted to tell her beautiful because she always looks amazing. Dude, have I shown you my new Ring camera?
No.
It is 4K. It's got 10x enhanced zoom.
What does that mean?
Go stand in the middle of the yard, and I'll show you.
Seriously?
Yeah, just do it. All right. See how you can barely see her there?
Yeah.
Watch this.
Oh, neat.
Hey man, you can just leave it on the doormat there.
Oh, okay. Right here?
Yeah, I'm just gonna finish showering, then I'm gonna come get it, alright? Alright? Yeah, just leave it right there.
Okay.
Alright. You still there, Mom?
Yeah, I'm here.
How's Dad's foot doing?
There's my good boy. Oh my gosh, buddy. I missed you. Oh, thank you.
Search party is such a game changer.
I know, I only sent a search party like 45 minutes ago and your Ring already detected him. That is incredible. It's like AI is gonna take over the world.
Yeah, I got a notification that a potential match was spotted. I checked and saw him right out front eating a dead squirrel.